up, days friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to another vlog. So yes guys, in today's video we're gonna try out some food here in Moalboal. We're currently here at the Good Place. So yes guys, it's a small restaurant here in Moalboal. So mano siya guys, we're gonna try their food, and I'm with my BYC friends again.
Hey guys!
Wow. And Video and the others are not yet here. Kaya they're still at the inn. And also my sister. Hi Sir Phil!
Hello!
Siya mong chef for today. So, ano sa inyong specialty here?
Mostly seafood. Any seafood.
Ano siya lang mga menu. So, they have creamy scallops, mga inana, pasta, noodles, sizzling plates. I don't know if you can see it. But, muna siya guys. It's actually affordable.
So what are you cooking for us today?
So I'm preparing the sauce for the fresh lumpia. I've already pre-prepared the ingredients ahead of time. And yeah, so making the garlic sauce. Fresh lumpia.
Wow!
With shrimps.
Is this edible, you know?
Yeah.
Yes! That's a fresh lumpia.
Wow, it's so fresh that it's edible.
Yeah! Mas fresh pa kaysa nako. Kami, it's so haggard. And the scallops.
Kailan lang kayo bumalik sa
Recently lang. I think not even 2 months. And we only open Friday and Saturday.
Oh.
Why?
This is an assumption because you guys are special.
Oh, thank
Whoa,
you.
thank you
So
guys.
you just opened this for...
Yeah, for today.
Why Friday, Saturday?
That's when tourists come in.
Sunday day, sir.
I prefer to
Rest.
rest on
Sunday is rest.
Correct.
Ano na siya?
56.
Picture man doon. Dire ni gud ate.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So we have soft drinks. Normally beers as well, but medyo early pa eh. So.
Yes. Hi guys, please come here at the Good Place where you can eat good and feel good.
Yeah.
You know? Ikaw food?
Eat good, feel good.
Kamu food? Siya food.
Ako food, ikaw food.
So our food is ready. We have here our fresh lumpia and there's some shrimp inside. And this one is the squid fritters. And the ihang sauce guys. Ang ihang white sauce. And the carbonara. The seafood carbonara. So ang nasa seafood carbonara kay scallop, shrimp, and squid. Nice squid. We also have 1 bucket of scallops.
And
Let's
that is
begin. And which is free, which is given by Sir Phil. Thank you so much, Sir Phil, for the scallops, for the donation, ayuda. Let's pray, guys.
Sticker, Kian.
Oh no,
Yung isang order kami.
Let's try their squid fritters, guys. Kumila, oy, dili sa gahi bitaw. This is the scallops. Now let's taste their kuan, guys. Fresh lumpia. Guys, if you want fresh lumpia na dire, kuha lang kayo. Ah, na siya tawag eh.
Tauge.
Wow! Di ba? Kasi ito favorite kuan.
Si Kuan, si
Pagsugod namin ka.
Squid fritters.
Fritters. Fritters.
Sorry for the noise. Kahit I'm with my Bisaya YouTubers Club again.
Pagkapoy na niya.
Mahilom na ni Ron kung mapuno ng mga baba, no?
Bibir, ngita bito ko na.
Uy, lamig kayang fresh lumpia.
Nag-order nga ako eh.
Na siya'y tauge. Na siya'y carrots.
Ito yung carbonara. Iswag na ni Bi. Wag ni Bijo.
Try the scallops.
Nime.
Mama.
Okay. Mga anak, pangaon mo ha. Kaya basi ka sa
Nangayo ko og squid na sisig ni Kuan, video.
PHY.
PHYDIO.
Sir, 7 Sprites, tapos 2 Cokes. Here's your water.
Baso.
Oh, to follow. Self-service po actually dito. Dahil may mga attitude kayo.
Hala, tanawa guys. May Kuan, parasite.
Ito. Ano yan?
Sa mga parasite.
Bili man siya para sa crabs.
Crablet.
By the way guys, naday Kuan, mango ang fresh lumpia.
Pagkuhan, turnip. Kailangan siguro.
Unta?
Wow!
Uy, di mo na, imo ay.
Wait lang sir.
Tapos mo.
Kanina man yung guys.
Kuha. Kuha.
Tagaan.
May bot magawa nga dai.
Tagaan ta ni kay birthday ba ano niya next week?
Ah.
Ay, man ni ang
Wala celebration.
pre-birthday celebration.
Wow! The creamy scallop! Imo ni Fitz?
Akin.
Ah, imo yan. Imo yan. Sana man ni uy.
Sabroso, delicioso.
So guys,
Bot, usay ko na. Wa may contact siguro pag sila kabot sad.
let's try the creamy scallop.
Walang makuyawan.
Mga doon, wala man ko nga.
Ha.
Namin kung pagkaon sa
Wow.
wag ilang ito ang balay no pork chop na. Dire mi na nga on man.
Suka.
Kanang
Naku, uy, busog na ko guys. Naay mga na late?
Hi!
Oh, naka-ready na si Margaret sa yung atire. Mag-dive na Hi, DJ!
DJ Jackie! Oy, mauli na tayo. Na sila. Back-up na tayo sa labas.
Oy, ayaw sa oy! Ayaw sa oy, my God! Ayaw sa. Lami kayo mo camera. Lami kayo sa microphone, guys. Pero Oh my God, finally I meet BYC family. Woo! Bigaon kayo.
Hello, sir.
Lami kayo mata. Lami kayo mata, no? My God. Pero, mamo mo kabulog gabi ka struggle sa mong giagian. Pag-checkpoint pa lang dan. Ingon ako dan. Taga-ronda na ko, kuya.
Good.
Grabe, oy. Hi,
Babae
sir.
na siya, babae.
Nakagwapo sa atong chef.
Mura to ila sir ka.
Gwapo kayo tong chef karon. Promise. Chef PO1, PO2, PO10.
Uy, barog na ay. Ganin na ka dira.
last na ni.
Pressure rain eh.
Pressure ay last na jud mi para makabarog na jud mi. Kinahanglan kay hot doon.
Sugal ako eh.
Yung iba ka, wala nag-order sa'yo lagi mo nani. Panalo ni ninyo.
Uy, nangaon naman ni sila. Di ba nangaon na mo?
Sila bay ko, paluto na ro to ila.
Nakao na, men?
Oo, nangaon naman oh.
Dili, wala pa.
So that's Margaret, guys. Pag-abot pa, gikan sa Cebu. Niya pa sila ng
Paghamong juday, paghamong juday. Bong. Men,
Sir, men.
Sige, lo! Gil! Kain ka! So guys, manakog kaon guys. Lamigod kayo ang food. There is at the good place with my good friends and the good food and the good life. Sir Phil, yeah, can you invite everyone?
Yes, I would like to invite everyone to come to our place, the good place here in Panagsama Beach, Panagsama Road, just near the Basdeo Chapel. If you want to enjoy really fresh, homemade seafood dishes, then this is the place to be. For the cheapest, that's guaranteed, and the food is delicious too. We're open from 5 to 10 in the evening, only on Fridays and Saturdays.
So they only serve dinner guys. For now, basin
For now.
pohon kay monthly lunch. Sumoto siya guys. I think I will end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. And also, do you have Instagram or Facebook?
Well, just follow our page, the good place of Moalboal.
Yes, I will put the link in the description guys. Kaya para kung maari mo, makakita mo silang exact location and you can contact them if open ba sila or unsa ba. So, maro to siya guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!